This video explains how to deploy an external learning tool for LTI Advantage after registration. In Brightspace, deployments let you share registered tools with specific organizational units or with the descendants of a parent organizational unit. During deployment, you select the extensions to be available and configure the required security settings. Note that to deploy an external learning tool, you must ensure the Manage LTI Tools permission is set at the organization level. From the Admin Tools menu, select External Learning Tools. On the LTI Advantage tab, click New Deployment. Select the registration you want to deploy. Enter a name and description for the deployment. Next, you can select the extensions you want to enable. Note that extensions must be enabled at registration if they are needed at deployment. If you enable Context Copy Notice, tools receive course copy details for the destination course and can discover supported LTI service endpoints before a user launches the tool. Select the desired security settings and configuration settings. Set any required substitution parameters. Set any required custom parameters. In instances where tools need to define both the name and value of a custom parameter, they can be defined here. These parameters are not dynamically replaced and must send a static value for each launch. Substitution and custom parameters that you create at the registration level cascade to the deployment and link level. Finally, select Add Org Units to authorize tool sharing. Note that some external tools require the deployment ID to be configured on the tool side. You can find and copy it at the bottom of the deployment form under the Add Org Units button. When you are done, click Create Deployment. Now you know how to deploy an external learning tool for LTI Advantage. Thank you for watching.